Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video I will show you how to fix out of brightness not working on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by first expanding our control center and finding our brightness bar. As you can see, it is right here. And of course we could potentially just manually increase and decrease brightness, but instead what we want to do is we want to make sure that our A here is checked. This way we will enable, you guessed it, auto brightness. If for any reason you cannot find your A, I can always show you that you can simply go to the settings. In the settings you want to go to display and brightness. And in here we have a check for auto brightness. As you can see, it does the exact same thing as checking the A in the control center. Though for any reason if it's still not working, unfortunately, I can simply advise you to expand your control center, click power icon and go with restart. I know that this sounds kind of silly, but whenever you restart your phone, you're not only restarting your hardware, but software as well. And while speaking of hardware, of course I mean sensors that are responsible for checking the brightness level around you. And yeah, everything should be fixed now. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.